Hi all, good evening. This is Nifty Direction recording video on 4th of Feb. So it's a Thursday today, and today was a weekly expiry uh, in the Nifty and Bank Nifty option contracts. So this was a bit of analysis on Nifty. So just before the market start, I was having the view that the market would move down first, and then it is supposed to go up. That's what view I was holding. So here, if you see at the start of the day around 9:12 a.m., I had given a view that Nifty could go downside to 0.618 level. Okay, this is the level that I was hoping for. Here you would see that this is the 0.618 level. So this is move 1. Okay, sorry, yeah. Okay, so this is move 1, this is 2 here. 1 is coming from the yesterday's low, and then 3 here. So 4 is expected to come down here, breaking the low of 1, as if this is an ending diagonal pattern or a leading diagonal pattern. Okay, as of now that is not clear, right, at this step, but yeah, we know that 0.618 level will be respected. So that's why I was assuming that it is supposed to go down. Apart from that, the two ranges that I have given was Nifty to trade between 14700 and 14900. Between these range, Nifty would trade initially. That's what the view was. So here you would see that the targets on upside and the range of the day, you can see there. Okay, so later on what happened, that it was consistently taking support before going down from these levels. Then actually it broken that support, but yeah, didn't went too much long. And this I was assuming as a triangle, but it was actually an ending diagonal in wave C. So this is a wave C coming down. So somewhere here B ended, and this entire move was wave C. Yeah, but actually it didn't come to this part. It actually reversed from somewhere from 1725 levels. Actually the support was too strong at 14725, and it didn't sustain below that. So I think this is the low, 14714. So this happened in quick. This move was very quick. I think no one can book the profits or enter the shorts and like sustain there. They will definitely get the stop loss hit here. So here the stop loss of our trade was hit. Okay, so this was a bit low risk trade. Yeah, but anyway the stop loss went out because the move was quick. And then again I was thinking that the C wave is not completed yet, and I was hoping to go it further down to 14690 and beyond. Okay, that's what I was assuming. But the wave C ended at 14,712 or something. Okay, so that's where the wave C ended, and then begin the fresh impulse wave. So the fresh impulse wave, once it began the fresh impulse wave, how would you know that uh, the new move has started? So you would see that it has broken the previous resistance, which has created while coming down, and even the trend line which was uh, coming down was broken. So this was the trend line actually. Yeah, so this is the trend line, right? So while going down like this, it came up, it broke this high. So by price action you could say that this is the resistance that has been broken. Then you can safely assume that the downtrend is done. It's not going to go down anymore. Still, the another confirmation would have been break of this particular zone. This zone had many resistances, right? And this was also having a high number of call open, interest open at that point. So that caused me to think that the downside is over and the upside will come and it will break the previous high. So that's where we that's what I analyzed. Then I later on see three red candles. Then I drawn a Fibonacci from the low to the top, and I was assuming that again that will come to these levels, 0.5 and 0.618. So, and if it's an impulse and it's going down, it in wave 2 usually it comes down to these points. Okay, so that's what the assumption was. That also failed. Here the stock, the Nifty bounced from 0.382 levels. So that was sufficient, like sufficient to tell us that the trend is still strong. Okay, yeah. So on 1 minute chart, I would see that the Nifty was going to go higher. Here it completed the 5 waves while coming from the lower side in a zigzag fashion. Okay, so then the stop loss was given like this. Okay, so this was a stop loss given. It was a wave too low. Actually, it broke there. It created then leading diagonal pattern. It break that level as well. Okay, but I was pretty confident that unless this level is broken, which is I think 14808 or something. Okay, unless that was broken, it is supposed to go up. So then later on I revised the stop loss and held my position in it, and later on you would see that it was going like this up. Okay, then broken down, then nearly come to this level but didn't violate that level, 14808, and then moved up. At this particular point I was pretty confident that here it was consolidating for many hours, so then it should definitely move up very rapidly. So from 800 and 14820 levels, sub levels, it went very high in a rapid fashion. Later on you would see here that, right, uh, around 80 points move it gave, and this time I was pretty confident that it will move like this. Okay, so that was the analysis that was done, and that's the thinking behind today's uh, analysis. And next I am expecting it to move to at least to this point, 14933. So that is a 0.618 Fibonacci level of this particular one sorry uh, 0.618 Fibonacci level from this 14808 to this fourth point. Okay, so this is the value that I'm expecting it to go in the next session. So this is a small disclaimer that this video is just for the educational purpose, and this video is created after the market hours, so all the moves are already done. So whatever analysis that is shown in this chart, or it will be shown tomorrow, it may or may not happen, and it can cause a loss to you if you take any positions based on this analysis if it goes wrong. So you need to take care of yourself and not to trade too much. Do not take big leveraged FNO positions. Take care. Have a good day.